Suggest your account on TikTok to your phone contact. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to suggest your TikTok account to your phone contact easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are there, go to your profile. And now click on those three lines to go to setting and privacy. Click on it, and now you have the second option, which is privacy. Click on it. Like you see, you have suggest your account to other. Tap there, and here you're gonna find the first option, which is contact, to suggest your account to phone contact. For this setting, you'll need to add your phone number. To add your phone number, just go to manage account and you're gonna find phone number. Click on it and add your phone number, easy and quick. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.